What's up, Kmers fam? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and join the family. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my nails, and this is how my nails look right now. What's up, lovers? Welcome to my channel. Subscribe and share with your friends. I just showed you my nail halo in the previous video. If you haven't watched it, go watch it right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep up with me. Alright guys, first things first, I buff up my nails kugira ngo the shine iveho. Yeah. Yeah. And the next step ni ugushiraho base coat. Ndaza kubereka my inspo. Actually, this is the inspo I'm going for. Ariko, I need this shape, and since it's Valentines and some white thing, okay, habye nari ndihera byari byaragenze gute umva. I was ngiye guhitamo my size, ariko izi ngizi ni my pink n'ubundi. Ngiye guhitamo my size, ngiye gutwara sha duto, kandi iyi ngiyi ni 9 niyo ya nyuma, bivuze yuko ndi bukuze. While I'm choosing the sizes, kambabwira ahantu narindi. Actually nakoze video ndi gukora these locks mwabonye mfite. It was yari kujyaho after some weeks ya wa musatsi, and then ngira ubunebwe bwo kueditinga biragira bipfuye, ndayibura mbura some clips. All the nails, and nakunguko zimeze. Okay, next step no applying the nails, like nkuko nabibabwiye n'ubundi nkoresha limestone glue nzishyiraho. Urayifata nyine ukayishyira ku rwara, ukayisandazaho biri fresh uko ubona bikwiye, and then ukayishyira ku rwara, and then ugacuringa for 20 seconds. Ntabwo ari nko kushyiramo amasegonda 30, amasegonda 20 biba bihagije, biba byafashe fresh. Urwo rwaje ruhengamye, ariko nyuma nararuhengamuye. So as I was telling you, nyine nabuze some clips, kandi umva kweditinga biragora, nyine bitera ubunebwe. Like you have to watch the whole video. Hari n'igihe video ya coming up ifite 2 hours, ukayireba bigasaba yuko uyigabanyamo amasegonda 20. I mean 20 minutes or 15 or 10. That's how this is not easy. Ntabwo byoroshye, ariko we will do our best. Let's urabona ko rwafashe. And yeah, this one is straight. See, these are good. Umva n'umuntu ushaka gushyira, ushaka ku like this length, wajyana ni length. Urabona ko these. Okay, that's how they come out. Nyine ndakora izi nzara zose, and then I will come back with the results. And there are the results. Ariko nyine after you do that, ucuringa for 6 seconds. Wamajije nyine kuzomeka tu, ugacuringa for 6 seconds. Nari ndi kuzikata nzigabanya nyine kuri size nshaka, nyine length nshaka. You will hear some voiceovers, ariko I hope ko bitari buze kubabangamira ko hari videos zitumvikana neza, so I try to put voiceovers and subtitles. Okay, after that ukuraho shine, ariko nyine buffinga urwara wateye, na good buffinga like urwara rwawe ugarukiraho urwara wateye rugarukira. Umva ukuntu ndi kudoda, utiraho ushyiraho ngaho urwara rugarukira. Next step ni ugushapinga. So ko kuntu natari ndi kureba muri camera, ntabwo nari nzi ko navuye from the camera, ariko I hope you guys like it. Nzabikosora next time. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Alright, this is the final. Come on, I'm not good on it. This is the final. look. This is the final nails. Next step, nongera ngashyiraho noneho base coat ku rwara rwose. Ako nyine urabanza ukumva ko kuko ari igihe hano haboro aba haba habyimbyemo ukuntu. So what I do, mfata buffer nkagira gutya kugira biringanire, harenganire nyine tu. So ndahita nsubizaho base coat. Mu gihe nyiri kwa applyinga base coat, reka tube twiganira mu buzima busanzwe ntabwo ndoda, ariko nyine hari ukuntu ubona video igiye kugucika igiye kurangira amasegonda ukahita udoda. After that you cure for 6 seconds. They look nice for 60 seconds. I itera a mess. See? I'll be using clear. So ubwo mbere ngiye gukoresha clear, isuzuma uko nguko kaba kameze. So what I like to do first, ni kuvanga ari igihe iba yagize. Okay, this is man mfasha n'insebe. The last time I tried this, it was not good at all. So nubwa mbere nubwa kabiri nari ngiye gukoresha acrylic. The first time nkoresha acrylic ntago mva simba beshya, ntago byari byiza, urwara rwari rubyimbye, ubona harimo ibintu by'ibinuze by'ibintu utamenye ibyo ari byo, ariko nyine umva this set yo sinzi ukuntu byagenze, nimba ari uko nari maze igihe nayikoresha, I don't know. It was simple, soft to use, nta bintu by'ibirungo na kuta inyumana, but before mbere yaranyumanaga byatari, nayishyiraga ku rwara ikahita yuma. Rero like to soft it nyine ngo nyikore neza ku rwara bika ukabona wamenya ukuntu bimeze, but this time around it was really good. Yaranyoroheye kuyikoresha byatari. Manze ndangize hose ndabereka what ibyo ndi bukore. Okay, abashuru none se dukomeze tuganira, se mumeze gute? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys been great. Mushime Imana nkuko nshima Imana nanjye. Yeah, so since Valentines is coming, I hope you're enjoying the moment. Nubwo turi gukora inzara zafise Valentine tufite. I hope this becomes an inspo for people who have dates on their Valentines. Alright, back to the nails. Akonguko impamvu nashize aho ngaho imbere, urwo rwara hari ukuntu ruhengamamo rukamera nk'urugondamye mukuntu. So like ushyiraho nuza nyinshi, creme nyinshi cyangwa acrylic nyinshi ku buryo nuza kubafinga uza kuza gukuramo ahaboro rugoramira, and then ukahashipinga fresh rukazamuka neza. Finished doing all the acrylic zahise zikomera. This was quick kwako umva irambangukiye ntago inesheje umutwe, ariko nyine hari ibyara byameze nk'ibigoryi. I need to do a lot of work to them, ariko umva like ibaze kunguko hagavuta. This is the left, this is my left arm, ibaze nako it's my right, ariko ibaze ko my left yasize kurusha my right, like yo. So I'm going to ngiye kuzishapinga nanone and naziringanize, and I will be back I'll be back mbereke the final result. Yeah, this is how they look. Nakarabye. I washed my hands and yeah, this is how they look. Okay, they look dry. So since turi gukora valentines, turakora red. Ngiye kubanza nshyiraho base coat. Kamanze ngira kuyicugusa. Shake. Push to start. Push. Okay, this is how they look. Bazina red nyanza. Ariko ndakeka ko ari umutwe w'amaraso. Yo. Tuzaho gake. I'm not a person ukunda gusiga like amabara ajya kwijima, ubundi nkunda gusiga amabara yerurutse, kuko hari igihe nsiga nk'amabara yijimye ngahita mbona nk'intoki zanjye zabaye umukara wagira ngo si wamenya ngo ni ibiki. Ariko I liked this red, nta n'ikintu yitwaye. The shape was giving, the red was giving, everything was giving. So yeah, keep watching the video and telling me your thoughts in the comment. I really do hope to hear from you. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you still doing? Subscribe, like right now. More tutorials to come, more vlogs to come. Ashyiraho second coat. Ije hari ukuntu nabonaga isa nk'iyerurutse wagira ngo uri kubona nk'urwara imbere. So that's why I applied the second coat. And if uramutse uri gusiga nk'ibara ryijimye, there's no need gushyiraho coat ya kabiri. One coat is enough. Okay, ndashaka gutekereza what I'll do with these pinky nails. In the meantime, ndi applying a top coat reka tutwiganirira. Impamvu like nkunda gukora voice over muri videos zimwe na zimwe, ubusanga mu rwara abantu benshi ugasanga inyuma rero ibintu biri kuvugira mukagira ngo ndi nko mu isoko. Nanjye gukora izo ball za design noze battery yanjye yasizima, nyine phone yanjye yari igiye kuzima. I was doing it quick, ntabwo nari nabonye ko nta nubwo camera iri capturinga neza, but I hope you see that nari pointing again and then ngakora a straight line. Ikindi on those pinky nakoze imirongo bisanzwe. I'll show you all the results of how it all came out. I also cured them all for 60 seconds. No, iyo mirongo ibyibushye na applyinzeho matte top coat. Noneho aho handi hari smooth nshyiraho top coat isanzwe. And then I cured for 60 seconds. That's how the set came out. Nayikunze byatari. I really love it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Share with your friends, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Mwah.